what we got here is a brand new Mpx catback exhaust from Modern Performance. This is for the Dodge Neon NSRT4 that was made from 03 to 05. I'm going to be installing it on the silver one in the background, if it can be seen. Let's see what this sucker looks like. These have they have like a staple on them, so you don't want to get cut by them, so you kind of got to watch, put your hand under, but they really hold everything together nicely for shipping. Boy. Okay. I would say that this is well packed. All right. Our gaskets and our bolts. Forgot that was in there. Mpx weighted knob. All right, something definitely needs to be said for the amount of time and effort that goes into what it takes to package this thing up for shipping. But there it is. I'm gonna grab the camera. Let's take a close look at this thing. All right, check this out. I think, well, first let's just check this thing out. The welds are actually, I mean, you know, they're pretty nice. They have our brackets here. This here looks a little different. Looks like they got something made here, a little bit of an upgrade. This actually looks like a smaller sized resonator in comparison to the older kits. Flip this thing over. go. I mean, there's the tailpipe section. So now the tail section will come up over and it'll actually connect to this pipe right here. Nice flanges. Looks like a little different on that. They're a lot nicer on these smaller pipes. No bends, like I said, a full 3-inch. Really nice. All right, so then this end, I believe it'll either go this way or this way. I don't remember. Okay, and then this one runs up to the downpipe. If you look here, this comes off here. It's a little bit of an angle. It's actually raised up right there compared to that way. See, it's down. Now it's up. So this will actually go on one way, and I believe it's this way because it pushes it up against the floor. And then this will run back through. Let's take a peek down through the resonator. Okay. So just out of curiosity here, I mean, this is a stock exhaust. So let's just take a look real quick here. I set this one in here. Don't want to get no scratches on this thing. So here's your stock exhaust. It runs across, connects here, goes up through, runs up through, has 2 small resonators. Now, like I said, I think this mid pipe's different, and that end, the end pipe's upgraded a little bit. This is an older kit. Let's check this out. Okay. Oh no, I just never took notice to this part right here. But here it is. This is fit up full 3-inch on a car. Going up through. Now, some of these were prone to cracking back here over time. All right, let's check out what the resonator part looks like. I don't know. It does. Look, it looks like there's more room there, more room there. That one's might be a longer resonator, but the shape of it does look a little different. Yeah, it's just because it's welded here. The shape is just a little bit different. But I mean, this right here has to be one of the best exhausts right now, in my true opinion, over anything else that I've seen. I mean, you can get those cheaper ones for a while, but for what you pay for this is a good quality exhaust, and these actually last. They go on really nice. If you need to order replacement parts, I'm pretty sure you can contact Modern Performance. There's their information a million times in their wonderful tape that they have. Good company. They ship stuff out really quick. We have questions, you can ask them. So that's kind of pretty much the unboxing, getting to check that out. The downpipe isn't in with that. We are going to be using a different downpipe, and you'll see that when I actually get that on. They used to offer an off-road pipe, and now the only one that they carry is a catted pipe. So I think I have a catted pipe off. I can show you here real quick. Let's take a look. All right, this right here. All right, this right here is what the catted downpipe looks like. I actually got to get a second bung installed on this one, but that's your catted downpipe that comes with the kit. Like I said, they had an off-road one that went down in there also. Lots of parts. All right, so that's it, man. Nothing else to see till we get this thing on. All right, we'll show you this on the install video.